Y'all, so we're gonna make some stuffed peppers, jerk stuffed peppers today. And this, I got this from TikTok / Naomi. She was like, why don't we do, since it's gonna be around Halloween or October, why don't we do pumpkin stuffed peppers? So I'm gonna cut them out, you know, like a little pumpkin, how you would carve a pumpkin. So I have an orange stuffed pepper here that I'm going to, you know, make into a little pumpkin. I'm not really too into Halloween, just for spiritual reasons, but I thought this would be fun. This would be fun, something fun for your family, if you're into Halloween, or just for your kids in general. This would be something fun for them to participate in, and who doesn't like a stuffed pepper? We're also going to be using some of Divine Cuisine's products. So I've been using the Divine Cuisine Jerk Rub and the Divine Cuisine Jerk Sauce in this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up the stuffed pepper. I kind of practiced a little bit before I got on camera. So we're going to cut the top off. And you kind of want to cut it like right here, like kind of right here. Because the first one I did, I'll show you, I cut it too close to the stem and so it fell off. So a tip, you kind of want to cut it thick enough down so you can still have your stem, because it's going to be your top. And then we're just going to clean out the pepper from all the seeds. I usually look for, it's not always even, I look for the one that has the most pepper, or the highest pepper. And so you just do the best that you can, or what you can. I'm not really a carpenter, so usually what I do is I do little triangles, 2 little triangles for the eyes. And then I'm gonna do a nose. And like I said, you could do this, you know, you can make smiley faces, you can make them, you know, look scary, you know, whatever. You need a sharp knife. And then I do another eyeball over here. And like I said, they don't have to be perfect. It's just something fun that you can do for the Halloween, or your kids would really like it. You know, just it'll help them. It'll make them eat the pepper more because they think it's fun. You know. And then I try to do a little bit of a mouth of some sort. Something like that. And then you put the top back on. You know, we're going to stuff them, and this will be your top. And I'll show you the other ones that I have as well, but this is one I did. And like I said, I cut too close up to the top, so I didn't have the stem on top of it, but it'll still work. So that was the first one I did. And then I got a little better. I got a little better with the red, and this one was this way. So we're gonna go through, so you see all 3 of them. Now we're gonna go ahead and get ready to make the stuffing and steam the peppers. But some grass-fed ground beef, some green seasoning. We have some red onions. We have some garlic, fresh garlic, some jalapeno peppers, Divine Cuisine's Jerk Rub. Garlic powder, onion powder, seasoned pepper, salt, a little bit of marinara sauce, Divine Cuisine's jerk sauce. So we did the rub and the sauce, fresh parsley. All that to put together. We're getting ready to add the rice. And we are ready to stuff our peppers. So we're gonna just stuff them. This mixture that we just did. All 3 of my peppers in here. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the top on. I'm going to let these cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then we'll take them off and put some cheese on it. Okay, so the peppers are ready. So we're gonna put some cheese on top of them. So they cook for a good 35 to 40 minutes. I like a party cheese. It's a creamy cheese. It's a good melting cheese. And so I had some Havarti, but you can put mozzarella or whatever you want to put on cheddar. I've seen people put cheddar, but this is the cheese of my choice. I put them back in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes just to let the cheese melt on top. Okay, like this and taste it. It's still a little hot. Got a little pepper from the top. What the top was. And it's still kind of hot because it just came out the oven. Let's talk about it. It's good. It's spicy. It could be a little more spicier. I think I could have put maybe another teaspoon of the jerk rub in there. But it's good. It's flavorful. So it just depends on, I like spice, so it depends on how much spice you want in it. But you can taste it. It's flavorful. It's kind of got, you can taste the jerk sauce. The jerk sauce, which is a little sweeter, so you can taste some of that tamarind in there. You take the spice from the jerk rub and then the tomato, the marinara sauce I put in there with the cheese and the rice. This is so good. And then the sweet pepper, I like it with the sweeter pepper than the green pepper, but that's up to you, you know, because that gives it another kind of a sweetness, spice. The rice, I use sushi rice opposed to like regular rice, so I like the texture of that. Very good, very easy. You see another way how you can use Divine Cuisine's products. Like I said, the jerk rub is spicy. It's more gonna be to more of that authentic type of jerk that you're used to tasting. It has fresh herbs and spices in here. Nothing but the best ingredients. It's gluten-free, all natural, no GMOs. You know, the best of the best that I'm giving you to put into your body. No, you know, sugars, you know, fructose or any of those good things, any of those things. The jerk sauce is sweet, you know, it has the tamarind, but it has a kick of that spice in there. It's a little tangy at the same time. Good for sauces, good for barbecuing. Also, you know, you can put this, base this on after you make your jerk chicken, or like we just did, we jerked the ground beef for these peppers. To get these recipes and more, go to divinecuisine.com or YouTube. Love y'all, Chef Shay.